a man for tree machete. And I'm what? Yetimamu has Talamsi Nabdam by election. A man for tree 2. Yetimamu Hayawaso, where's Wagon? A man for tree 2. Any elections contested in this country, no, a man for Obi Pra and also Obi. And the saddest part of it. And he said, so be a hearing and no be a piano. The state, as of my Ghana, no, don't seek justice for these persons. What a chambako, tell them, see, no, or more ye bo masum, or more ye a kyobi, mekai, and a say a black macrano, okaya esla be making some allegations be whether they are true.
Or no esla na share yashin elections.
Fine. So it tells us that we are not practicing democracy.
Kuvanda po na bu eslo.
I don't know that. But you see, whether it's been
Kuvanda po ni esla, me kanso o mienu gina esla bebo no. No Kuvanda po wonu ni mun kase nyina tu.
But
esla be vim tu. Ben to so sorry.
Say Okobo no, say esla bu no, whatever. I think that election no, not violence ABC one.
Oh yeah, there was a violence.
Right. Say you bo esla sumne or a minister. But ask yourself, Nipa no bonus, has Esla got justice? And it shouldn't come from a government. It's a state, like state, and also seeking justice. But has Esla got it? Did she get it? Tell them, see, or more. I think that time some NDC was in government. So ask yourself, have they had justice? Or munyai? Yakwa kwetia, or they've not had justice. Ayawasu West Wagon, Yakotna Hoti Commission.
What's here a Pahwanda Ben? You're happy. 98.9.
They've not had justice. Now, new election 2020, Koi, also Nipa 51. I don't have the data, but I've heard say more 8 or above. In the Shiro Munka. Have those our Mashiro Munkano had justice? No. Is even someone in court as a state attorney general, is he in court prosecuting people? No. So our election, no crown, he do or die. So it doesn't take President Mahama so Bekachiri say do or die. It is already do or die. However, as a leader, no, even though I understand the context and the content in which she made those sad statements, no, but as a leader, no, sometimes you got to watch your statement, the Obeka. Because oh man for and a statement he buy, we've seen people carried it in a sensational way. Me who paper been there, Mama called for mayhem.
Oh,
you see, yeah, paper no Troy. I've seen. I think
one of the papers. We been shown no akwa kanti no almost so woman how we see aka.
Because send your own canon, no, you have a different interpretation of what you said. But individuals no have their subjective interpretations. Oh, their utim bia na utimu kra de okan no one drian ko mayhem kra. Oh, they okan say munko defend it. Munya de here yes we have power no. Anamboa. But because people have subjective interpretations no, wonya kan ya no ye be kariako. So it was also measure senior kasa. But some make us one kasa ye no. In a proper democracy, not this our dirty democracy. In a proper democracy, state institutions are working. Sanka state institutions, who say, the Omampani that cano. I want to so your national security swap, but I should have been picked. So the young metnaha, Embe Bobo. He should have been picked by now because it has security consequences from their own interpretations of what he said. It is not politics. It's about good governance. Has he been picked? Say if he's not picked and a political party thinks that what he said is bad, move it to me, Eddie Attorney General. Or even report to the police. Say, Omampani, the work in there, no. That the work in there, any nyadri, or call for a crime or war crime or maybe him.
We can't all die, no.
It tells we don't have a state. Say, our democracy, no. If it is going to be sustainable, right? My message is, if it's going to be sustainable, then the democracy must be led by the state or not parties. Now, you can say they don't. I didn't think it would be say it should be all die, be die, or die, do or die. It should be because we near. And that's the reality. Today, if you go to police, the military can come and tell us whatever they want to tell us. The security, all the security system, military, police, fire service, immigration, SEPs, they can come and tell us whatever they want to tell us. But to be frank with you, if they are going to be objective, Massa, before I ever shortlist to cross up medicals, no, na MPB, minister B, and I said, I president in the presidency, at the list, Tintiaba, these are the people I want you to pick. And because of that, some of the young guys who are working at the presidency use this opportunity and take money from people so that they can get job. Yeah, no free what they done. Oko na says judicial service and recruitment. You go there and see on the practical level, objective level. You can. And if you are not having that 5,000, then you must be a party member.
Yeah.
But Sanka State in
party fund fine. Party fund
Sanka State in a leader.
Sure.
And for party on merit. It is if it's on merit now, they don't know catch him say all die be die or go and do or die. Because at the end of the day, no, or party president you win the president to bring up a policy, but not to recruit. We are not in charge of recruitment. You are not in charge of giving job. Oh, you see, I might be so executive power, presidential power, no, a policy directions to Omar. I might be so. Say no, USA, Biden policy direction on your policy direction. We are going to reduce taxes by this on the private sector. Private sector taxes now reduce. No, move on creating. You must say we are expecting that by the time you must say you're creating. That is it. Say net taxes now. Also, what's your policy now? Say you're China for competing do. China for any more competing into no. Chale mayenfa embargo bi. And I quote been to Chinese products ever America so. Yeah, they are also our local producers. Produce maye. They are taking policy decisions. They don't recruit. They don't do anything. But there's no job out there. So one politician I won't be.
Yeah.
So we don't have a democracy. And when people tell us that you better what that bang.
A politician be office pa na soja man be. Ahoma be brave kwa pa politician na cho so wo wane emfa ne ba wo soja mu. Soja wo no awurade Yesu Kristo Jesus Christ.
So the political power.
Soja man ahoma be ensia wo no pa honorable.
Yes, that's the reality.
Protocol we are
objective unless maybe subjectivity has blinded.
Soja man.
We are politician be or NDC and MPP. But if you're objective, that is the reality. And we must all change.
Yeah.
Politicians, no, it will say change. If we change, some of these languages will come.
Of course.
Yeah, because because President Mahama be there, the whole year so be creative policy ama yakoyenim. Or creating policy we are Nipo of Adumano NDC found MPP found state never. Sir President Kufuor in 2024. I don't know who MPP is bringing, whether they are bringing Alan, whether they are bringing Honorable Jogati, whether they are bringing Vice President His Excellency Dr. Baumia. Nipa bi omodede bano. Say state in a leader obi nkokuntokwa. And also, they don't. Me madika kasase boy. The here make say, and what will sustain our democracy is educating our party folks on what the tenets of democracy is.
Okay.
Or are.
Me that say.
Oh, mommy, we can say.
Sorry, mommy.
Ne, if you're MPP, ask a core member of NDC or MPP. Omu ideology then, because in other countries they develop based on ideology.
Ideology. I don't need your any swadi hunu.
And you want this swadi hunu.
Fapim amujina so.
Fapim.
Okay.
Fapim. The foundation
of your policies good.
O foundation. O fapim ne den. Uti MPP o beka say o ye liberal democrat and I say bia o ye center right. Right? Uti MPP also a center left. But who be the core member say center right, center left.
Also left full back.
In terms of policy,
to left full back, also left flank.
So you see, when you educate our members on our ideology and the tenets of democracy,